real slow out the blocks. I don't think we'll get that Friday. We're on the telly. Let's go out there and show them they
Fuck you!
Good football team that we are now.
I agree with that. Yeah, totally agree.
You're a dick. You are a dick. Fucking moron. What are you flashing me for? You're on the wrong side of the road. Oh wow.
Oh shit. Scotty, one for you.
Jules out! Jules, I'm losing control, I can't control it. It won't recover. Shit.
The fuck you doing? Jesus fucking Christ! There's one for Scotty.
You talking to me?
Rise and punched robberies that so many bank staff experienced during the 80s, 70s, 80s, really 90s are a thing of the past.
Fucking lunatic! Or a bitch! Or a bitch! Or a bitch! Bitch! A bitch! A bitch! A bitch! A bitch! Bitch! A bitch! A bitch! A bitch! A bitch! You've been horrible! Fuck off!
Oh, you're right. Fuck. Just didn't see if anyone was in it. Hang on. Oh. Let's get the brakes on.
Champion, mate. Champion.
Excellent.
Legend! Thumbs up!
We got one!
Incident field here where the guy
I believe it.
pulls out. He's in a BM and he just leans on the guy's door and bends it so he can't close it. it's filled
What the
right.
fuck are you doing?
You're
She's
gonna.
gonna.
This car park brings out the worst in people.
Especially their driving. And now I think I can turn a corner. Oh yes, my car may go fast, but it doesn't steer. And watch this, we'll go over it as well. Oh no, we missed it. How did I manage that in a much bigger car? Look, and it's also out of blinker fluid. Look at this. Oh yes. I have just turned.
I'm not quite sure what people's problems are sometimes.
Jaws, you'd be too terrified to
She's
go
always
back on the
been-
road.
she's-
Drive on the road.
Nope.
Well, get
God.
over.
You go to the pit stop.
Fuck's sake.
And she was looking at car parks. There wasn't one big enough.
You haven't got a fucking clue.
To celebrate Iron Maiden coming to Australia. Real. Live and loud.
Beautiful song, I tell you what, all that fabulous string work from the great late George Martin that really made that today when you think about it. Yes, say yes to the deal's great laughs, get them when you can. Just a quick look at the roads up and enjoy your matches. The Wiseman's very reduced capacity.
Won't make an argument. The state also claims Mr. Murdoch's motion for leave to file a motion for new trial is defective because it does not indicate how or when he learned of the allegation. Again, the Attorney General knows this is not true. The how is that the jurors in spoke to Mr. Murdoch's counsel after trial. The when is on or about the date of the affidavit. Well, the problem with that is that when Coop was giving interviews, and when
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Coop and Griffin.
Some people are really fucking stupid.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Down at BP than this one, because that one down there was brushless.
Yeah.
Whereas this one's got brushes.
Well, it's more modern.
Far out! Turn right from the left lane. Dashcam.
Agreed.
That dude just fucking ran straight through a red light.
What? Going straight?
Yeah.
And is also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul.
People show us to remind us, yeah. Some people say negative, but
fuck with.
I'm a young gazebo.
In 1 kilometre.
What the fuck are you doing?
What an asshole, right?
Speak to your
Oh
sister.
my goodness me. And look at this one.
Oh my
God, they're racing each other.
All three are.
so fucking
Oh my God. They all three are racing.
They're racing, yeah. What a pack of wankers.
The fuck are you doing? Jesus fucking Christ.
They'll say yes, obviously. Would you ask an expert?
Oh, it's only a little bit red.
You fuck knuckle.
Good morning.
All right, Caroline, listen, welcome to the show. What school game you have to make a great Olympic sport?
Another one for Scotty.